Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am a class and today we will be doing the project overview of Urbanized Whispers of Sky by Urbanized Projects LLP project, which is located in Sholingalanur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Now before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project. Right behind me, this is your marketing office, and right behind that side will be your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done with the developer, giving you a bottom rate guarantee. In this video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So let's get this video started. Coming over to the project overview. Urbanized Whispers of Sky project is an ultra-luxury residential project which is spread across 6.09 acres, offering, you see, the project features 4 towers with 2 basements plus ground plus 1 stilt and 24 upper floors, housing 623 premium residences. Premium 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus 2 toilets and 4 BHK apartments. Now coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project which is located in Sholingalanur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. As you can see, this is your connectivity for the road. Now, the nearby connectivity OMR IT corridor is only 5 minutes away from here. Sholingalanur Junction is also 5 minutes. Velichi is only 12 minutes away. Chennai International Airport as well, 35 minutes away from here. Now, coming over to the amenities, the project offers 100 plus world-class lifestyle amenities, such as a 30,600 square feet luxury clubhouse, swimming pool, kids pool area, state-of-the-art gym, wellness zone, indoor games, tennis court, and many more. Coming over to the super built-up area, the project offers spacious luxury apartments with approximately built-up size for 3 BHK, 1,590 square feet to 1,756. 3 BHK plus 2 toilet is 1,239 and for 4 BHK is 2,144 square feet. Now, coming over to the booking process. Let's discuss the booking process. So, our project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain you the project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. We will also take you and show you around the sample apartment and the residence. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. Next, launch discount offers. Right now, the project is having priority reservation booking, which means the prices will be as much as low as they are from different projects. So everyone, this was the project overview of Urbanized Whispers of Sky, which is located in Sholingalanur, OMR, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.